So what are the benefits of a communication diagnostic? Well, the bottom line is it helps you understand what the root cause is, so then you can start to solve it, right? So instead of spending money on a writing workshop, which may, again, be a great solution, what if the problem is really with the reviewers? Or what if the problem is with the templates? Or what if the problem is a combination of the three? So that's part of what the communication diagnostic does. That's one of the benefits. Another benefit is that our PROS communication roadmap gives you a clear path forward. You'll know exactly what you need to do to solve the communication issues that your organization is facing. And the final benefit is it's a phased approach. And so the benefit of that is it allows your team to incorporate changes over time so that you can tweak them, right? This is working, this isn't working. We're with you on that journey the entire way to help ensure that whatever communication issues your team is having, that they are solved and they're solved forever.